What factors influence population dynamics? Imagine a bustling city where people come and go, and the population size keeps changing. Now, think of nature as that city, with animals and plants moving, reproducing, and dying. What makes these numbers go up or down? That's what we're here to find out. Population dynamics are about how and why the number of individuals in a group changes over time. Several things influence this process. First, birth rates and death rates are the main drivers. When more babies are born than people die, the population grows. If more die than are born, it shrinks. Different species have different ways of reproducing. Some produce many offspring with a low chance of survival, like fish or insects. Others have fewer babies but invest more in each, like elephants or humans. How long an individual lives also plays a role in how fast the population can grow. Next, we have movement. Immigration is when new individuals join a population, increasing its size. Emigration is when some leave, reducing the number. These movements are especially important for animals that can travel long distances, like birds or mammals. They can quickly change local population sizes. Density also matters. When a population becomes crowded, resources like food, water, and space become limited. This leads to competition, which can slow down growth or cause some to die off. Predators and diseases also spread more easily when animals are packed together. On the other hand, when populations are sparse, there's less competition and growth can happen faster. Environmental factors that do not depend on how many animals are around also influence populations. For example, weather events such as droughts, floods, or extreme temperatures can wipe out many individuals regardless of population size. Natural disasters like fires or hurricanes can drastically reduce numbers too. Pollution and habitat destruction can make it hard for species to survive and reproduce. The traits of a species, called life history traits, also shape population changes. Some species reproduce early, have many offspring, and live short lives. Others reproduce later, have fewer babies, and live longer. These differences affect how quickly populations can grow or recover from declines. Genetic diversity, or the variety of genes within a population, helps species adapt to changes. If a population has low genetic diversity, it might struggle to survive new threats. Small populations are more vulnerable to random events that can cause big fluctuations in their numbers. The availability of resources like food and water directly impacts survival and reproduction. If resources are plentiful, populations can grow. If they are scarce, numbers decline. The quality of the habitat also plays a role. Stable, healthy environments support larger, more resilient populations. Finally, interactions with other species influence population dynamics. Predators keep prey populations in check. Parasites can weaken hosts, and competition between different species can limit growth. Sometimes, species form mutualistic relationships that help each other thrive, indirectly affecting population sizes. Understanding these factors helps us manage wildlife, protect endangered species, and predict how populations will respond to changes like climate shifts or habitat loss. By knowing what influences population changes, we can better care for the natural world around us.